how to find one-way car rentals on Kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find one-way kayak car rentals. So, let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to kayak.com. And then once you're there, go to the cars option, and here you can see a drop down return same drop off. You need to tap on it and then click on different drop off. So now you can choose your destination of pickup and then the drop off location, and then just choose the dates and then hit search. So this is how it works. Now just view to the results and then choose the one of your preference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.